सो हेलो गाइस, एक्चुअली मैं इस वीडियो में शेयर करना चाहता हूँ दैट इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग फॉर द जॉब इन द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज इन द एनी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, ओके, then I will suggest you don't trust on the agent words, okay, because they are most of the time they are saying that the promises which they are making, is totally wrong, because they are saying that once you are come here in the European countries, then you will be able to be assess and travel in the any European countries. First of all, you have to understand that what is which countries are coming under the Europe, and if you are getting the visa up here, then which country's visa is valid for the traveling the different countries. Actually here is called the word is Schengen, okay. So if you are getting the visa of the Schengen country, then it's okay, you can be able to travel the different countries. But if you are getting the visa from the other European countries apart from the Schengen, then you will not be able to travel in these countries, okay. So I will always suggest you, first of all, you understand about the Schengen. Under the Schengen there is 29 countries are coming, that's I will mention on the screen, okay. And even okay, if they are making these false promises all the time, I have seen it, because I have seen like they are giving the visa for the Cyprus, other European countries which is not the part of the Schengen, and they are saying that you will be able to travel from there to the different countries are also. So it's not true, okay. So that you have to understand what is the under the Schengen country, which countries are coming. So first of all, understand it, okay. And thereafter, once you are getting the visa of the Schengen country, they are also making the false promises, which the promises like they are saying once you are getting the visa of there, then you can go in the any countries. Yes, you can be able to go to any countries, but the problem is that you will not be able to work. But they are saying that no, once you get the visa of these countries, then you will be able to travel and go to work also on those countries. So no, it is not be possible for you. They are making the false promises here. They are making the wrong things. So I'll always suggest that no, don't trust on them. Yes, you will be able to travel, but you will not be able to work on those countries. You have the permit for those which countries. In that countries you will be only able to work, okay. So like you have the permit of the Romania, then you will be working in the Romania only, not the other countries, okay. That is the first things. And the one more things that I'll suggest, once you are applying, if you are applying from the agent and they are charging the high money, then I'll suggest please don't go through them, okay. Try by yourself. There will be learn so many things, but when you are trying by yourself, and then other things that you will also save your lot of the monies, because you are trying through the agent, then they are always charging more than the 700-800 euros. So I'll suggest you, no, please don't go through them, don't pay that much money. If you are then just charging the 2,000 euro, 3,000 euro, then it's okay. Up to the 3,000, I will say it's okay. Even that much cost is not coming when the visa is issued from the any countries. But if they are taking up to the 3, then it's okay. But if they are taking the more than that, then just tell them no, it's okay, I'll try by ourselves. We'll keep those money in our bank account and we'll try by ourselves. Do that one. I will always suggest you. And don't go through the agent, because agents are always just for their own some benefits, some commissions they are killing to the people. Because in the Europe, it's not be easy for you to find the job. Yeah, believe me. Even you are coming under any companies, you will not be permitted to work immediately. You have to be passed through the lot of the process, and after then you will be only joined to the work, okay. And the other things that you have to pay by yourself everything here. The problem is that you have to pay like your medical, your insurance, your house rent, your transport, everything you have to pay by yourself. So that I always suggest don't apply through them, try by yourself. Understand those reality, those things. If you have any friends here in the Europe countries, then talk to them, understand, get some information, because as but I know in the Gulf there is no such a thing is here, but it's not like the Gulf, okay. So here will be the very tough. बोलते हैं ना, क्योंकि बॉयलर मुर्गा बन के हम अपनी कंट्री में खाना खा सकते फ्री में, यहाँ पे नहीं. गल्फ में तो थोड़ा बहुत दे भी देगा, बट इन यूरोप नो, यू कैन नॉट बी एबल टू बी इन यूरोप. ईच एंड एवरी डे यू हैव टू वर्क टू गेट द मनी, क्योंकि आप बीमार होते हो तो भी मतलब इधर छुट्टी ले लेते हो तो उसको पैसा नहीं मिलता है. ये प्रॉब्लम है यूरोप की. लेकिन गल्फ में आप अगर एक दिन बीमार हो जाओ तो आपको सब कुछ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग यू विल बी एबल टू बी गेट फ्रॉम द कंपनी, ओके. सो इन चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ही यूरोप को गलती पर अप्लाई करना.